بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين نبينا مصطفى محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم وعلى آله وأصحابه الطاهرين الظاهرين وبعد. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. I welcome you back to episode 11 in our series Mafaatih Al Thahabiyyah, the golden keys. Every episode, inshaAllah, we give you one key of Tajweed to unlock one door of Tajweed while focusing on reading Surah Al Fatiha as well as the surahs in juzz amma correctly. Our 11th key for today is the key Al-Mad Al-Muttasil, or the joined mad. Previously we have covered the Mad Al-Munfasil, the separated mad. We now focus on the mad that is joined, and it states this is when the letter of Hamza follows the letter of mad in one single word. So this means that the Hamza is joined to the word as well as it follows the letter of mad in that word. For example, as-samaa as well as bis-su'i as well as si'a. Its hukm, or the ruling regarding this, is al-wujub, meaning it is compulsory to extend this mad more than the length of the mad al-tabi'i. The mad al-tabi'i, as we know, is 2 vowel counts. However, according to Imam Hafs and Asim, from the way of the Shaatibiyyah, as we read, we are allowed to extend this mad 4 or 5 vowel counts. Remember this mad has to be pulled 4 or 5 vowel counts. This is if the Hamza follows the letter of mad in a single word. Remember Imam Sulaiman al-Jamzuri rahmatullahi alayhi states that the mad will only be extended if it is given a reason. It depends on a reason. The reason is either the Hamza or the Sukoon. In this case, it is the Hamza following the letter of mad, a, u, and e in one word. We now focus on some examples, inshaAllah. Our first one is إِذَا جَاءَ يُرَاءُونَ الشِّتَاءِ وَالصَّيْفِ عَائِلًا فَأَغْنَى. We focus now on the harful waw. لِيَسُوءُوا سُوءًا فَلَا مَرَدَّ لَهُ تَبُوءَ بِإِثْمِ ثَلَاثَةَ قُرُوءٍ. We focus now on the harf al-ya, the letter ya. وَجِيءَ هَنِيئًا بِمَا أَسْلَفْتُمْ. In this case we find the first one is the mad al-muttasil, joined to the word, and the next one is the mad al-munfasil, following the letter of mad but in a separate word, the Hamza that is. سِيئَتْ وُجُوهُ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا يُضِيءُ. These are the examples of the mad of the fatha, the mad of the kasra, or the letter ya, preceded by a kasra, the fatha followed by an alif maddiyah, and as well as the waw preceded by a dhamma. We now focus on our surah, and this is to read Surah Al-Nasr. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفره إنه كان توابا. صدق الله العظيم. We find this in the first verse. إذا جاء. We have to extend this mad 4 vowel counts, as well as we are allowed to extend it 5 vowel counts. However, if you choose 4 or 5, make sure that throughout your recitation you use the same vowel count. إذا جاء. We trust that it has been beneficial, inshaAllah. Until we meet again, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.